and finding some odd things around here. We just opened up, I don't think I showed this to you guys. This run used to be for, that tree fell in its run. This run used to be for the little coop for the mama and the baby chickens. Well, now they're all with the rest of the chickens. Let's see, that white one with kind of the gray speckles, stripes and whatnot, that's one of the chicks, and then this one on the branch is the other one of the chicks. So they're all grown up now. Anyway, so they're with the rest of the chickens, and they ate down the main run we have them in. It's just tall weeds in there now. And so we opened up this run, and they're really enjoying the grass here. And then we have another run that is full of knee-high grass that is ready for them whenever they eat this down for the winter. But this is what I noticed. This is a little peach tree. Our other larger peach tree is right there. It's bare, partially bare because the June bugs, they get it every year. But so do you see the odd thing that I see? We have 2 blooms. Can you see those white flowers? I really don't feel like going into the chicken run. Just trying to stretch my arm out. We have 2 blooms. Why on earth is my peach tree blooming in the fall? Now, it bloomed in the spring and looked like we were going to have quite a few peaches until that late frost hit it. But I have blooms in the fall. The other thing that's odd is these are my ever-bearing raspberries. So you can see the ones that look dead and pitiful. There's the ones, they're 2 years old. They fruited this year, and I'll cut them down. And then the really green ones, those are new this year, and they will fruit next year. So these are my ever-bearing. Then this row right here, I planted this spring, and they are June-bearing. And the thought was to have raspberries from June until the first frost, basically. Hopefully one day that's the goal. However, so these are supposed to be June-bearing. And then today, look what I saw. What on earth? What is going on? We had a typical summer. Hot. Humid. Spells of dry. We're having a typical fall. Cool. Well, cool. I mean, it's in the 80s, but cool so far. And lots of rain. I mean, I'm not complaining, but what's going on? Now, this is normal. These are my ever-bearing strawberries, and you can see how much has died back. I did not water these during the dry spell, and a lot of them died, but we cover them with mulch in the winter, just like Paul does, and the ones that were weak were going to die anyway, so it's just not that big of a deal to me. But anyway, you can see the white flowers coming on, and we'll get, and we are getting already, a fall strawberry harvest. I'll show you a few. We're getting strawberries. But what's odd are the things that are only supposed to blossom and fruit in the spring that are also blossoming in the fall. So if you have any ideas, more experienced people out there, I've only been doing this for 4 years, so I'm learning every year, and that's great. But truthfully, I have no idea what I'm doing in the long scheme of things. So if you have any idea why my peach trees and my June-bearing raspberries are bearing now in the fall, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.